you say you make more money doing this than the actual vending business?
Yeah, you don't have to kiss nobody's ass.
It's one piece of advice you would give to a person that's becoming an adult.
If you're a thief, you're done. Nope, you ain't going nowhere. You know that. You've already in the business.
What's good, TT gang? Today we're diving in what the moving business look like, specifically vending machines. Okay, will I get into the business? I need potentially.
Oh, this is what I need.
Well, today recording this video, I am testing it out, working with this guy. Okay, see how it goes. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and enough of me talking. Let's get right into this video. Take care of yourselves.
So easy.
Yeah, you don't want to leave your candy and stuff in here because what happens is the mice get in here. When the mice get in, you got problems.
Right.
It leaves your machine a mess, stinking terrible.
And it's the same thing with the lock, the same thing.
Yeah, because then I'll come in right here like that. You know, I'll come in like this and leave you enough room
Okay.
so you can empty it and do whatever you gotta do.
Okay. Cool beans.
Or with this one, I could come in and I could put it right to the wall here like this.
Okay.
You know, and then you can open that and do what you gotta do.
Okay.
Okay, pop down. Can you get it? A little tough with the screwdriver on that one. Okay. Here's your key.
Appreciate it.
Yep. You know, you do this stuff so long, you learn.
Right. I only did it once.
Yeah, that's it, you know. And then, you know, somebody will teach you. That's the thing. Once they teach you, you're fine.
Right.
Stuff out of the way there, because when I'm going to come in and just turn it against that wall. You don't got your license yet?
I do.
Huh?
I do.
Oh, you do? Oh, yeah. That shit kicks your butt. Especially being young.
Right. They helped me buy my first machine.
What's that?
My parents helped me buy
That's
my
it.
first
That's
machine.
how they do it. You know, that's how it works, man. My parents didn't have anything. I didn't have anything. You know, I grew up off the street. You know, my parents didn't have no money. And so what ended up happening is the guy says, I don't care about the money. We'll work that out. That's what we ended up doing. Made payments, you know, made a lump sum, and then I made payments. So it worked out good. this, he's gonna battle you the whole time. And if you need to move it, you just move it down that way.
Okay.
All right? You want to move it down that way or? Just let me know. Yeah, that ain't gonna open. It's gonna have to move down this way. That will probably have to move back that way because it's a bigger. Let me in there. You got it. There you go. Yep. You can close the door now. Move it a little bit. A little bit more. Just like that. What's that?
Years of doing this, you get a good workout in.
Oh, hell yeah. Oh, yeah. What's going on?
Okay.
Because you could definitely make, because there's a lot of people that call, you know, oh, I got to move. I had 5 sisters. I don't move households up. But that's up to you. You know what I'm saying? You got a truck. You can make all the money you want. But me, I had 5 sisters. I said, I'm done moving the household shits.
Right.
But I move safes, I move pool tables, you know, I move all that shit.
Okay.
So it's definitely a good business. I've had it for 48 years, and it's taken care of me very well.
Okay. So you say you make more money doing this than the actual vending business?
Yeah, you don't have to kiss nobody's ass. You know,
Right.
You just go and you do it. You know what you got there.
Okay.
You know, and if you want to do that on the side, you do that too.
Mm-hmm.
Ain't nobody can tell you what you can do and what you can't do. And now you ain't got to pay nobody to move the machines.
Right.
And I got a warehouse full of equipment if you want to buy that.
Okay.
You know, so it's a plus for us.
Okay.
So you got the number, you got everything. So say it again.
For my YouTube
YouTube.
video, what's one piece of advice you would give to a person that's becoming an adult?
What your word is worth its weight in gold. You tell somebody you're going to be there. If you can't be there, you call them. Hey, I'm running late, whatever. When somebody can rely on you, I don't care who's in this business. They know Jimmy the Mover, and they come to me and they say, you know, Jimmy, it's done. All I got to do is tell them, and it's done. Your word is worth it. And in this business, if you're a thief, you're done. Nope, you ain't going nowhere. You know that. You've already in the business. That's
Okay.
the whole deal.
Okay.
You got my number. Just give me a call.
Appreciate your time
You got
and
it.
your wisdom.
You got it. We can make it happen. All right,
just
just
get
let
the-
me out of the gate on the other side.
Okay.
You know, if you get a lock that doesn't have a key, that has a combination code,
Right.
then if you need me to put machines in or take them out, you just put the lock on there with the code, give me the code, I come in, pull the machine out or put the machines in, and that's how I do most of the other guys.
Okay.
And that way you don't have to hook up or anything like that. You just say, go get this machine, take it here. I do, lock the door up, and I'm done.
Okay.
So I write all the codes down for all the people so that I can get in the front gate and then I can get in there. But they make that same lock with a combination.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, it just works out easier.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, cool. All right.
Recommend that.
I'll wait for you to let us out.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.